Hello guys, welcome to MUCKBANG Mondays once again. Right guys, so as you can see it's a bit of a chilled MUCKBANG Monday because it is like literally 12 o'clock. So Amelia's at school. Amaya's upstairs taking a nap, so I'm gonna get dinner prepared so the time Amelia comes back home the dinner will be all ready and stuff like that. I'm in my comfy clothes, my hands are dry, so ignore them. Oops. We're cooking lasagna. I've been craving lasagna for some reason. I want lasagna. I want it, so we're gonna make it. I haven't made this in years, so we're just gonna go and experiment and try and make this. I'm not doing it the Italian way. I'm just gonna do it how I know how to cook it. Adu cooks it a different way, so I think I'm gonna have a lasagna competition with him, who can cook the best lasagna, because he thinks his lasagna is better than mine. I don't think I've even yeah, he made a lasagna once, I think 3 years ago. It was alright, but he probably has improved now. Can you hear the paternity call in the background? I'm just going to be an onion. Chop up one onion. Chop them up. Oh, I'm allergic to onions. I don't care what no one says, because this ain't right. They block my nose. They make my eyes go red. Okay, onions are in. So I go over here and I wash my mince as well. I'm the only one who doesn't really like just take it straight out of the pack. I like wash them as well. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so the mince are in there now. I'm gonna mix them in with the onions. Put more oil in there. I'm gonna add one of these chicken stocks. That gives it nice juicy flavour. Add that in. A big spoon of minced garlic. Actually, maybe another big spoon, because I love some garlic. A bit more actually. Some basil. Bit of sage. All-purpose seasoning. I like to use different types of all-purpose seasoning, so I'm not going to use too much yet. A little bit of cumin. Can't forget this seasoning, mate. Bloody brilliant. Pop that in. Come back to my little corner. I'm gonna use some green onions. I love some mushrooms. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to add some. Red and yellow pepper. Pop that in there. Be nice and colourful. I love my food to be nice and colourful, guys. Pasta sauce, I'm going to be doing it my way, which I like to. I'm going to be using chopped tomatoes, and then I'm going to thicken it up and stuff like that to make the pasta sauce. Okay, it's been a couple minutes and the mince are looking really, really nice and juicy. To add the chopped tomatoes, and of course this is a preference, you can just do a pasta sauce. Looking cool, right, and lovely and luscious. My battery's gonna die, so I'm literally gonna go and grate my cheese and I'll be right back. Well, I got Amelia from school. Amelia, why are you eating my cheese there, please?
I want...
all over the floor.
Look what you done. You put it all over the floor.
Look how you messed it all over the floor. Pick up, please.
She spilled it.
I didn't, you did.
No, I did not.
Grated all this cheese here. There we go, there's my cheese. So to make my cheese sauce, it's easy. You need cheese, milk, butter and flour, and you're good to go. And I'm gonna add a spoonful of butter. Let that melt. I'm gonna use plain flour to thicken up this butter. There we go. Yes, just like that. Now it's time to add the milk. Add it gradually, so you're gonna add it like that much first and mix that around. And I think by now you should turn the fire up to high and literally just keep mixing. That's what you need to do. Keep mixing. When this part gets thick, you add more milk. You can see it's getting thicker to like a nice cheese sauce. There we go. And then by this time now, quickly add more milk. And then do the process again. There we go. Then before it gets too thick, what you do is after is then add the cheese, which I will do so in a minute. Like a big chunk like that, and just add it in like this. And as you can see, it's getting to a nice thick cheesy pasta sauce. Cheese sauce is officially done. There we go. I'm drying out the sauce in the mince now because I don't want it to be, you don't want the sauce to be too runny, so you need to dry it out. I'm drying it out on a high heat. Time to start layering this lasagna. I'm using these lasagna sheets. I don't even know how this works. I can't remember how you lay lasagna. I can't remember, so I'm just gonna freestyle it. I think Amaya's coming to see me. Hey baby girl. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey girl. Amaya, I need to make lasagna. Maya, you're ruining my shot. Let's do this. My tray here. There we go. I don't know what you put down first. You put cheese down first. I'm gonna put cheese down first. Put cheese down first. I'm just gonna do mince. Put some mince down. This is probably like the messiest lasagna you've probably ever seen, guys, so sorry. I don't know how much layers I can do with this because I'm running out of mince already, guys. I just made just enough white sauce. And beautiful. There we have it. A somewhat, almost put together lasagna. Pop that in the oven. Preheated. And wait for it to bake. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Girl, hey! Hi, my girls!
I'm gonna put lasagna too.
Ooh, yes. Hi, boo boo. So, hi guys, this is lasagna here. So, my special guest is coming now. Ta-da! Come on!
Gabrielle! I'm here.
So, say hi to the camera.
Hi!
What did we have last time? Our food?
Rice with some chicken and with some vegetables.
Yes, do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, so thumbnail time, let's do a thumbnail, okay? So we need to pose 1 second. Pose with the camera and go. Look at that. Let's do a toast as always before we start this mukbang. I've got my shala. You know how it is, Millie?
Yep, it's spicy.
Spicy.
I used to eat spicy when I was little, do you remember?
No, you never used to drink fizzy drinks. She calls fizzy drinks spicy, by the way, guys. If you guys don't know. Hold on. We need to toast first. So let me do my speech, don't interrupt. So this is to our second mukbang together. Our nice lasagna here. So cheers.
Cheers.
Have you got anything to say to the toast?
Okay, so what we done yesterday? Do you remember what we ate?
Let's toast, please, because I'm hungry. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Cheers. I love this.
Me too. Okay, so I'm going to dish hers out first. Let's see this lasagna, shall we, guys? Really nice and cheesy. Whoa, I think I did quite well. It's hot, you know. Careful.
I am careful.
So my lasagna is going to be from here, guys. I'll tell you why. Because Adriano, he's on a diet. Your dad's on a diet, by the way. So he's like low carb, low everything. My whole family as well are vegetarians, so they don't eat meat. This is meat lasagna in there. It's got beef mince. It's just going to be me eating this.
Lasagna because it tastes like lasagna.
It tastes like lasagna, doesn't it? Does it taste good? I'm going to taste this then. Careful, why would you do that?
Oh.
Take it out. I did that. So my mukbangs are kind of like You're not gonna watch me eat for like a good 20 minutes. It's just more of like the rest
Are you
of
not hungry?
cooking. I am hungry.
So why do you not have a plate?
Making from here.
Yummy.
Cheers, guys. How was school today, then?
Fine.
What did you do?
The playing. Playing. I play with friends, everybody.
Really? I hope you haven't got a boyfriend.
No. Somebody has a girlfriend.
Who has a girlfriend?
One of my friends.
You're lying. You're acting very suspicious.
Not hot. I'm not hungry.
You're trying to change the subject. You're trying to change the subject. Oh, full, guys.
I'm not full.
Okay, look.
I'm still hungry.
Guys, this is the end of the
Video.
video. Thank you, Amelia, for coming on once again. Have you got anything to say, love?
Anybody who did not want to be in the show, just call them. And
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You don't even know, do you?
you like the food what we're eating. That's what I said yesterday, remember? I said that yesterday.
Peace out, guys.